Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado pasta. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the sauce and pasta. Next, we will blend the creamy avocado sauce to perfection. Then, combine everything for a quick and delicious meal. This method is incredibly easy, perfect for a busy weeknight, and delivers a surprisingly rich flavor. You'll love how simple it is to prepare this vibrant dish. For this delightful dish, you'll need 2 ripe avocados, about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, and a few key seasonings. Grab 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh basil leaves, and the juice of 1/2 lemon. Don't forget a dash of olive oil, salt, and black pepper to taste. These simple ingredients combine to create a surprisingly rich and satisfying sauce that's both fresh and flavorful. Start by cooking your 8 ounces of pasta until it's al dente. While the pasta cooks, combine the 2 ripe avocados, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh basil, and the juice from 1/2 lemon in a food processor or blender. Add a tablespoon of olive oil, salt, and pepper, then blend until the sauce is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Drain your pasta, reserving about 1/4 cup of the pasta water. Once your pasta is drained, immediately add the creamy avocado sauce. Toss everything together, adding a splash of the reserved pasta water if needed to achieve your desired consistency. Garnish with extra fresh basil, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes, or some have cherry tomatoes for a pop of color. This dish is best enjoyed fresh, so serve it right away. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.